How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your WordPress domain or website over to Hostinger. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and we need to get two things out of the way first, and that's you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator, and the same for your Hostinger account. But here, we're going to log into your HPanel. So what we're going to do here is basically extract the info that we need to migrate over to Hostinger. So from here, you guys want to click on the Domains tab on the dashboard in WordPress. And then you want to click on Manage for the domains that you own, or you simply want to copy the domain name. So in this case, this is a test dummy domain name, but I guess it'll do. So essentially what we're looking for here is the domain name as well as the DNS or the name servers for our domain over at WordPress. So we could copy it over here, and then we're going to head over to Hostinger like so, and we're going to go to the Domains tab. And you actually have two different options here, being get a new domain or transfer an existing domain. So you want to select the second one. And I should mention that there are actually two ways to migrate domains over to Hostinger, and that's using the auto installer that they have, or simply doing it manually via the Domains tab. So I like to do it this way, as you get more freedom and control over the configuration. So you simply want to type it here, and normally if it's an existing domain, I'll click on transfer. Actually, let's do the other one. Copy this over. Let's hope this works. Well, it's not really a real domain, but here we are. And assuming that it's a real domain, what's going to happen here is that once it's registered in the database, Hostinger is just going to ask you to log into your WordPress account through their interface right here. So once you guys make the connection and basically authorize WordPress to integrate with Hostinger, you're all good to go. And a good rule of thumb is you guys want to make sure that when you're transferring over some data or a database over from a different platform or hosting site, you want to make sure that your domain is unlocked. And to show you guys what I mean, okay, so here's one of my registered domains. So if you click on Manage, like so, you want to make sure that this transfer lock is unlocked. So that you want to make sure that this toggle is all the way to the left. And you want to do the same for WordPress. However, I don't have a registered domain here, so I can't really do it. But it's pretty much the same deal. You just want to make sure that it's unlocked. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.